After 6 months of playing with the Nomvdic X300, it's time to share the nitty-gritty details of this hybrid device that blurs the line between a portable speaker and a projector. At $399, the X300 stands tall, with a mix of impressive audio quality and decent projection capabilities, which is mostly rare in most top-of-the-line projectors out there. But how does it hold up over time? Let's find out. We already knew before unpacking that this projector has been the talk of the town for its retro design, but we got amazed from the moment we unboxed the Nomvdic X300. Its unique retro design seems actually more retro than we thought. Nomvdic itself likes to describe it as the combination of a late 1950s tabletop AM radio, a 1980s mini boombox, and a small handbag. Despite its sheer portability, the X300 is a bit on the heavier side at 6.6 pounds. However, the solid build quality and durable materials justify the weight, making it feel premium. The carrying strap is the icing on the cake for its retro charm and practicality, which makes it easy to carry. The overall dimensions are 6.2 by 10.9 by 6.5 inches and are manageable. The design choice of placing the lens on the top with a pivoting cover means you don't, unlike most projectors that have the lenses at one side rather than at the top, have to tilt or place it higher to adjust the projection for the ceiling. This setup allows for flexible ceiling projection, making it a delightful feature for those lazy, relaxed movie nights in bed. All you need to do is to tilt the screen to 45 to 55 degrees angle, and the mirror inside the cover will reflect the image straight onto the screen or any surface that you use. Over the 6 months, one of my closest friends who used to think that I have been using Marshall DAB Plus radio has finally realized it's not a radio, it's a speaker-cum projector, all because of its resemblance with the retro gadget. The Nomvdic X300 boasts a 1080p native resolution and a 300 ANSI lumen rating. Upon using it, we addressed that the device projected better images in indoor settings with controlled lighting. But the moment the light goes up a bit, especially when the curtain of your home is pulled up at the time of peak sunlight, or you set your entire device outside, it struggles to keep up the same persistent quality. The lack of HDR and 4K input support is intrusive, especially when compared to other projectors in this price range. Focusing on the image kept us running as we literally struggled to adjust its focus. Its powered focus mechanism would really work better if it only stopped at its optimal focus system. But what it did rather was moving past the optimal focus and overshot. Therefore, the outcome was a blurry image. Despite this, with some patience, we were able to get a bit of a sharp image, although it wasn't as sharp as you'd expect from a 1080p resolution projector. Of course, we cannot complain just because a device made for sound doesn't have all the go-to features of the premium projectors. The X300 is tangibly well regarded for its audio quality. Throughout our testing period, the two 8-watt Harman Kardon stereo speakers, complete with tweeters and woofers, consistently gave us one of the best sound qualities we ever could imagine. And why not? It's Harman Kardon. The volume was quite satisfying, especially since we didn't encounter any issues, whether it was a large room or even backyard gardening, at its loudest sound. The audio seemed crisp and clear, proving that the X300 is as much a high-quality speaker as it is a projector. The addition of speaker spikes and spike shoes, often found in high-end audio equipment, got us the sound we needed. When we listen to anything through speakers of this caliber, we often miss the originality of the sound, mostly due to their contact with the surface where they are kept on, hence more vibrations and resonances. These components are designed to minimize contact with surfaces and potentially improve sound quality. This fancies the audiophile like us, but can overdo the volume for the casual users. Battery life has been one of the pleasant surprises with the Nomvdic X300. We consistently get up to 6 hours of audio playback and around 3 hours of projection in battery saving mode. In Eco mode, it lasts about 2.5 hours. The full power mode isn't available on the battery, which makes sense given the power demands. This longevity makes it suitable for extended viewing sessions without needing constant recharging. The X300 offers a variety of connectivity options, including HDMI, USB Type-C, USB Type-A, and a microSD card slot. Wi-Fi connectivity is available, though it lacks Wi-Fi direct support. This means you'll need a Wi-Fi network to stream content, but we often found wired connections via HDMI or USB-C to be more reliable for streaming apps like Netflix. On the downside, the X300 lacks support for HDR and 4K input, which might be a deal breaker for those seeking cutting-edge video quality. It runs on a customized version of Android OS rather than Android TV, limiting some app functionalities. For instance, the Netflix app designed for mouse control is cumbersome to navigate without a dedicated remote or a working companion app. Unfortunately, we had issues with the app, as the QR code needed for setup often failed to scan. Additionally, if the remote is misplaced, the absence of onboard controls could pose a significant inconvenience until a replacement is obtained. After 6 months of use, the Nomvdic X300 has proven to be a device that excels as a portable speaker with exceptional audio quality. It's a versatile device that performs well in both indoor and outdoor settings, whether we are listening to music or watching a movie. However, its projection capabilities, while competent, don't quite match the high standard set by its audio performance. It's a unique device that delivers a lot, making it worth considering for anyone seeking a dual-purpose speaker and projector. If you found this review helpful, make sure to give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more content like this, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. And if you have any questions about the Nomvdic X300, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.